chip design flow, say it will start with specification and then goes to architectural design, and after, I mean, if somebody wants to design a chip, today's electronics market is around 1.5 trillion and is expected to grow to 2 trillion by 2030. So in that industry, in every walk of life, you will find today chips, integrated circuits in all type of verticals like automobiles, health, or any type of application if you see, communication. So there is hardly any field where electronic components are not being used. So in these electronic components, integrated circuit is very, very important. So if you want to design this integrated circuit, you start with specification, system specification. So if you once understand the system specification, you have to go for architectural design, how to design a chip with those specifications, and then functional design, logic design. Then it may also have not only digital circuit but also analog circuit, then you have to do analog design. So after making this front end design, that is logic design or analog design, all these things will come under front end in VLSI, and this circuit will be synthesized and netlist will come, and some testability components are going to be introduced, and after that you will have physical design. Say after physical design is done, it will go to fabrication, and then it will go for testing, assembling, marking, packaging, etc. So if you see, not one engineer, no one engineer can do all these tasks. At every stage there are several engineers. So if you see actually the type of jobs, now you can see a person who is good in system specification will become an expert in marketing,